Yesterday in class, we learned how to divide binomials by writing them out. Today, we learned how to do it using the rules. So on this first one, using the rule, you have 7 p's on top and 4 on bottom. That means you have 3 p's left on top. You have 3 n's on top and 2 on bottom. That means you have 1 left on top. So that would be your final answer. Just like yesterday, you can write them out and cancel them if you like. On the second one, you're going to take your exponent, you're going to distribute to the top and to the bottom. So you have 4 to the negative 2 over 5 to the negative 2. In class, we also talked about if you have a negative exponent in the top, you need to move it to the bottom and make it positive. If you have a negative exponent in the bottom, you need to move it to the top and make it positive. Then you need to simplify. 5 squared is 25, and 4 squared is 16. And that would be your final answer. This last one, the first thing you want to look for is, do you have any 0 exponents? If you look at the B, it is 0. If you remember, anything to the 0 power is 1. So on the top I have 28, a to the 7th, c to the negative 4th, over, I have 7. 7 times 1 is 7, a to the 3rd, c to the negative 8th. Now you're going to go through and switch things around if you have negatives. So 28, a to the 7th is going to stay because it's positive. C to the 8th is going to come up from the bottom. 7 stays on the bottom. A to the 3rd stays on the bottom. C to the 4th moves to the bottom because it was negative. And now you're just going to simplify like normal. So the first thing you're going to figure out is what's the biggest number that goes into 7 and 28. It's 7. So the top becomes a 4, the bottom becomes a 1. Then you're going to go through and simplify your letters. You have 7 A's on top and 3 on bottom. That means you have 4 left on top. You have 8 C's on top and 4 on bottom. That means you have 4 left on top. So this is your final answer.